Stop! Don't click away yet, because you're watching Young Magnates, the channel for future millionaires, where we ditch the rat race and choose a life of freedom through laptop income. Because a magnate is simply anyone extremely wealthy or influential in their field, and that's what we're gonna become. But don't worry, this isn't the part where I try and sell you on some magical secret to getting rich quick. There isn't one, and I'm not selling anything. Instead, please let me share with you the 2-minute trailer on what the hell this channel actually is, so you know whether or not you want to be a part of it. Because I have a feeling you have just found the tribe that you have been looking for. Roll the trailer. Becoming a millionaire is a learnable skill, but the education system has failed us all when it comes to getting rich. It pushes us to the 9-to-5 rat race, working a job you hate for over 50 years just to get by. Whereas Young Magnates is about living life on your terms, having the freedom to do what you want and when you want it, because the internet changed everything. We all now have the ability to build something that can make you money wherever you are in the world. But I'm not some self-proclaimed business guru. The world definitely doesn't need more of those. Think of me as your messenger. I'm going to put in the work, sort through all the overwhelming amount of books and courses out there, and summarize the key lessons that actually work completely free on YouTube. So you can then spend more time taking action on the things that matter most. And unlike most self-development and business content, I want to make this channel practical, engaging and fun. Make some unique and interesting videos, because the fact is, information without emotion isn't retained. That's why you hate sitting in a classroom for a 2-hour lecture, but why you're going to love these concise, snappy points in these videos. It's more memorable and more enjoyable, because building a better life for yourself should be exciting. But you might be thinking, yeah John, but why should I listen to you? Well, I have been making money online since I was a kid. I'd made thousands online before being legally old enough to have a PayPal account. I've given speeches on this stuff and got the qualifications to back it up, but before I boost my ego any further, the fact is, although I've been practicing this stuff for years, I'm not the expert. And yet, I think that's a good thing here. Because rather than you just hearing nice sounding cliches from people who already have money and just want you to buy their $1,000 course, instead on this channel you can actually watch the process of someone hustling and the real lessons and mistakes along the way. A free front row seat for the 0 to millionaire journey as we start building a richer life for ourselves together. So, no matter whether you're just starting out and have no idea how to make money online, or whether you're already an entrepreneur looking to take things to the next level, if you're ambitious and ready to level up your life, this is the community for you. You in?